I think that there is one thing which has been added, which is going to be of significant impact in criminal laws in this country, which is Section 69 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which is sex on false promise to marry, right? Now, if we were to kind of talk about it for a minute.
Sure.
That 375 says without the consent of a woman, if there is sexual intercourse, then that is rape. Punishment
Correct.
was under Section 376. What used to happen was that the law, the judges and the lawyers and the police imported a definition saying that if there was a consent which was taken by making a false promise, which the person at the very time of making the inducement knew it to be false, then at that point of time, even if it is a false promise of, say, marriage, or maybe something else, such as, say, maybe a job promotion or something else for that matter. If a false promise was made and on the basis of that consent to have sexual intercourse was obtained, then because of the operation of another section in the Indian Penal Code, that any consent which is obtained by fraud is no consent. So they imported these two things together and they said that this is the offense of rape, which is punishable under Section 376. Okay. There have been tens of thousands of false promise to marry, rape on the false pretext to marry cases which have been registered all over the country in the past.
Without actually inciting forceful penetration.
Correct.